Hello and welcome to BizRun. In this brief video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use BizRun's training, licensing, and certifications to manage all those key training documents and information and dates related to an individual employee. So I'm logged in as Arista. Arista is a department manager. She also has admin privileges in this particular case. And we're going to look at all the licensing and certifications related to one of her employees, Callie. So when I roll over her picture, I click on the pencil. I click on the gear next to her name, click on personal information, and this is going to open the employee record keeping module. I go to the Training, Licensing, and Certifications tab, and here we have a sample. So Callie, in this particular company, she has a CPR training, an OSHA training, anti-harassment training, and a licensing from being a professional engineer. You notice when I scroll over one of these, there's a link here, so I can link to external documents, whether it's the information about the exam or perhaps even the test itself. So I can have dedicated links inside of BizRun. Also, if I come over here, I can see if there's an expiration date on it. If there is an expiration date or a due date, there's going to be a little green bell associated with that document. If I click on the edit button, this will show me all the information about this particular license, the type, the title, the description. If there's a link to an external document, the number and version, who it's been issued by, other pieces of information, including if there's an expiration date. And with that expiration date, there needs to be a notification that the employee needs to refresh that license, renew their license. In this particular case, I can determine who receives the notification. In this case, it's the employee themselves, plus a supervisor. If there's a specific admin associated with training, license, and certification, I can click on them as well. And then I can also determine how many days in advance that notification will be received. And then I click submit, and that's been updated. Adding new is very, very simple. Just click on the add new button, and then I can add in the information we just saw from that existing example of a professional engineering exam. In addition to that, I can run a report. This is very handy for looking at your entire company. This first report is just going to show Callie, but I can either look at the entire company or department. In this case, I'll just search for Arista and her department. She has 3 levels of subordinates. I'm going to run this report. And this is going to give me a report of all the employees on her team. And now I can see here's Michaela, Kirsten, Callie, and others. I can see all of their training, license, certifications, if there are reminders associated with those, and when those licenses or training is going to expire. So that's a brief overview of training and licensing and certifications and how you can manage that function within BizRun. Thank you.